A silver giant. What's with that giant?
It's the pilot of the command ship. Take it under arrest.
It's floating in the air. Why can't it fly?
If it resists, shoot it.
In the mythologies, God descended from the egg-shaped ship. Is that God?
DE-202 to ground units. Please designate attack targets.
What the hell? What is that guy doing?
Confirmed.
Its arms are starting to radiate.
Is it armed?
DE-202 to ground units. Please designate attack targets.
Manipulating light. Flying in the sky, as was told in the legends.
Looks like we did our part.
What kind of weapon is that?
Every alien that we've encountered was armed, except for this giant.
How did it attack us?
In the air. Please designate targets. This is DE...
Aliens!
Anytime.
Aliens are appearing out of thin air? How is that possible?
Millimeter.
It can distort space.
Its abilities are uncanny.
Is it omnipotent?
150 millimeter.
I will look for help. Is anyone alive? Is anyone hearing this? Anyone?
10 motherships are still on the move.
DE-2...
The motherships are indeed heading to this area.
It's only a matter of time till they get the best of us.
Initiate Operation Omega.
What?
This is...
Are you serious? You sure you want to do this?
What is this all about?
Please don't do this. Please.
What is that?
Attack.
There is a halo behind that guy.
Confirmed.
Divine halo.
It sure has a lot of tricks up its sleeve.
Did you have fun, ground forces?
It's like magic. There must be a logical explanation behind this. But what?
Ground forces?
We won't stand a chance if we don't figure out the secret to his weapon.
150 millimeter.
Is anybody out there? Anybody?
It's all or nothing. Looks like our last shot.
All of you, hang in there, no matter what.
I knew no one could have survived this.
Oh, you think so, huh? Well, I can still put up a fight.
Storm free. Attack.
It's over. We can't defeat this monster.
Ground units.
That alien is the incarnation of death. It will kill us all.
When a powerful alien entity attacks, the lesser organism will be extinguished. Maybe that's the rule of the universe. The enemy commanders right before our eyes. No matter how many sacrifices we make in the future, we will never get this opportunity again.
Understood.
We've initiated Operation Omega.
What do you mean by that?
Humanity's last stand. We've deployed everyone into the fight to stop the motherships.
But we've already sent in everyone we've got.
Not all. We've given underground resistance the green light to attack.
What? You're sending out civilians?
From now on, every human is an EDF soldier.
You want unequipped civilians to fight? Have you gone mad?
It will buy us precious time.
Everyone will die! You want to sacrifice the last remaining survivors for a bloody miracle? What's the point of saving our planet if there's no one left?
This operation won't be in vain. No matter how great the cost. We must win.
We must win.
Damn it! The giant is radiating.
That's God's true form.
A super being that can create infinite energy. It's a creature superior to everything else.
How can we defeat something like that? It's impossible. It's not fair.
Storm 2, moving in.
So many have sacrificed. But what for?
It's calling aliens!
These are heavily armed aliens. They must be his personal bodyguards.
There's nothing we can throw at these aliens. Is this the end? Damn it! What's the point of destroying the command ship if we cannot defeat that thing?
If we let it get away, all our sacrifices will be for nothing. Please, we have to find a way.
We've got nothing left. Time to die.
Man, this shit is whack.
Don't ask what I'm doing right now.
Yeah.
Bro, I can literally just play this but by just fist fighting, bro.
It's over.
I could literally just fist fight.
Accept this truth.
What in God's name? We have a survivor.
Not even Storm 1 can do anything about that monster.
Designated area.
Oh my god.
We should put
That-
faith in Storm 1 and pray. Storm 1, humanity's fate lies on your shoulders.
End of attack. Wait for the next round.
Look at that combat strength.
Fresh.
Why?
Request accepted.
I love this game.
It's working.
It's just For Honor, but better.
Starting to slow.
What is this game? Chivalry?
This is already better.
You dare talk down on my game, but yeah, it is actually better than For Honor, community-wise, really. Chat. So you've been diagnosed with freckles. Mother.
I don't think I want to learn advanced moves. I already got advanced moves. Look at this.
Are advanced, dude.
My character sounds special.